With lenders tightening their lending criteria, you may find it difficult to obtain a home loan if your circumstances are out of the ordinary. Luckily though, there may still be some non-conforming alternatives. Welcome to the Finance Hub and Networks, your one-stop shop for all things home loans. For home loan applicants who are not able to meet the stricter lending criteria, there are some other options you could consider before giving up on the purchase altogether. One of those options are non-conforming home loans. A non-conforming home loan is a loan offered to potential borrowers if they don't meet the standard lending criteria. You'll typically not meet the criteria if you're self-employed and don't qualify for a low doc loan or have a poor credit history. Even if you've previously been declared bankrupt, you could potentially apply for a non-conforming loan. Non-conforming applicants aren't necessarily just those with a poor credit history. If you've just moved to Australia and lenders can't verify your credit history, you could apply for a non-conforming loan. You can also apply if you've recently retired or have other debts to consolidate. These loans work similarly to standard home loans. If approved, they can be offered on a variable, fixed, or split rate. However, the main difference ends up being the fee structure and the interest rate. To minimize the risk of financing a non-conforming applicant, lenders usually set a higher interest rate and higher entry and exit fees than a normal mortgage. Before making any commitments, it's worth speaking to a mortgage broker first, because the fees and interest rates can be significantly higher than with standard home loans. You'll want to investigate all your options. A good mortgage broker will be equipped to offer you a range of options and advice on each option's repayment conditions. I hope this answers some of your questions about non-conforming loans, but if you have more, please leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, make sure to like and subscribe to learn more about what's involved in your property purchasing journey.